how to update Facebook on your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So in order to update your Facebook, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Facebook. So if any updates are available in your Facebook, then there will be update option instead of open in over here. Then you can tap on update and your Facebook will be updated. But here you can see there are no any updates available for my Facebook. It means my Facebook app is up to date. Your Facebook will allow you to use the new features of the Facebook, and you'll have access to various activities on your Facebook app. So it is necessary to update Facebook time to time. After updating, you can simply open up the app and you'll be able to see the new features over here, and you can go to the settings and find the various features of Facebook. So by following this simple step, you can update Facebook on your Android device easily. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.